हेलो स्टूडेंट्स इस वीडियो में हम वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम वी गोना सॉल्व इट which is very much important and which is taken from the model question paper of class 10 standard. So let us begin to solve the problem which is on your screen. Okay, as you can see, cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to secant A, and they are saying us to prove that. So in what way we have to prove it? We have to prove that LHA is equal to RHS. Sorry for that. Here it is 2 secant A. Okay, that's the complete question. Now let us begin to solve. Okay, see here, question mein we cannot substitute anything, right? So what we're gonna do it, the basic step, we're gonna take out the LCM. Okay, whenever we are taking out the LCM of trigonometric function, so it's very similar like we have to multiply. Okay, so cross multiply. So our LCM, you know it, our LCM is 1 plus sin A and here cos A. Both are our LCM. Okay, our LCM is both. So first term के पास 1 plus sin है, तो उसको क्या multiply करना पड़ेगा? What we have to multiply for that? We have to multiply cos A. Okay, so you may be knowing, just for your better understanding, I am multiplying. So अब ये second term के पास denominator में cos है already, cos A है. सो क्या नहीं है उसके पास 1 प्लस साइन ए नहीं है. ओके, तो उसके साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 1 प्लस साइन ए. ओके, now let us multiply. If you multiply, what we're going to get the value, that is cos square a plus 1 plus sine a into 1 plus sine a, because we are multiplying with the same trigonometric function. 1 plus sine a is our numerator. We are also multiplying with the 1 plus sine A itself. The whole divided by, what is our LCM? Our LCM is cos A of 1 plus sine A. We're going to continue to write down the right answer, 2 secant A. Okay. So now cos square A, we're going to write down as it is, cos square A plus, as you can see, 1 plus sin A is multiplied with the same factor. That is 1 plus sin A. So we can write as a 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos A of 1 plus sin A. We can't cancel till now because in between the terms, as you can see in the numerator, there are two terms. First term and this is our second term. दोनों के बीच में क्या है? प्लस से. अगर इनटू रहता तो हम कैंसिल कर सकते थे, बट we cannot do any cancellation, remember that. So we need to solve it, okay, for the second term by using a plus b whole square formula. Okay, we shall do it beside 1 plus sine a whole square. Okay, which formula? That is a plus b whole square. This is a very common formula which you are learning it from 8th standard, which you might haven't come across 8th standard. The formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we need to identify the value of a. What is the value of a? It is just 1. So in the place of a, we're going to substitute 1 and the whole square as it is, plus 2 as it is. Here 2 was here, I wrote 2. A. What is a value? That's 1. B value is what? B value is sine A. So sine A in the place of B. Plus B value is sine A whole square. Sine A whole square. The last step. 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into sine A. Plus sine A whole square will get the value as sine square A. That is what we're going to substitute in our solution. So cos square A plus, अब इस फैक्टर के बदले हमें और तीन टर्म्स मिले, which are those 1 plus 2 sine A plus sine square A, the whole divided by cos A of 1 plus sine A. Remember, Right hand side as it is, we are writing. We are not solving it separately. Okay, so we will write continuously the right hand side values. Okay, so as you can see in the numerator, there are two terms like they have related to the formula. One is a cos square a, other one is sin square a. Okay, so we'll write them together. That is sin square a plus cos square a. I wrote those two terms together. Remaining terms we're gonna write down as it is plus 1 plus 2 sine a whole divided by cos a of 1 plus sine a is equal to what is in our right hand side? 2 secant a. Okay, now which formula we are going to apply? That is sine square a plus cos square a formula. What is it? Value of is equal to 1. Yeah, we could have written directly just by writing this, representing this formula beside. But yeah, I know I'm just extending your solution, but that's okay for your better understanding. Okay, so let us substitute in the place of sine square a plus cos square a has what? 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine. I'm writing the remaining terms as it is. Whole divided by. So what we have to write down in the denominator cos a of 1 plus sine a is equal to the right hand side value is 2 secant a. The 1 plus 1 we can solve and we can write as a 2. Yeah, obviously. 2 plus 2 sine a whole divided by cos a of 1 plus sine a is equal to 2 secant a. In the numerator, there is something common between the two terms. Okay. Are you able to identify which of those term common? That is 2 is common. So we'll take it 2 as common. As you can see, the first term itself is 2. The second term also has a 2. So दोनों के पास क्या common है? 2 as a common. So I took it 2 as a common. So now what should I write in the place of first term? That is 2 ones are 2 plus. For the second term, 2 is already common. So what is the meaning? Sine A. The whole divided by, say I could have written 1 sine A. You write 1 sine A or just sine A, both are one and the same. Okay, so cos A of 1 plus sine A is equal to 2 secant A. Now we can do the cancellation because there is no positive negative between the terms. Okay, अब जो second factor जो 1 plus sin है उसको पूरे को हम कैंसिल करने वाले हैं. So this whole factor we are going to cancel. That's why I said there is no sign. Okay. So between the 2 and the factor, there is no sign, like there is no positive or negative. It is just multiplication because we wrote in a bracket. If there is only multiplication, then we can do the cancellation of numerator and denominator. Till then, we cannot do any cancellation. Okay. So 2 divided by cos A is remaining the left hand side is equal to 2 secant A. Now you may be knowing cos A formula. What is that cos A formula? 1 divided by secant A. So in the place of cos, we are going to write down its formula. Okay, so what's it? We can write down as 2 will be remaining in the numerator. So cos A की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे हम? What we gonna write down in the place of cos A? Okay, as you can see, cos is the denominator, right? So we gonna inverse it, right? We're gonna write down as a secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Kyunki we want to write down the value of 1 by cos A. In our question, it is in the form of a 1 by cos A. So 1 by cos A का value क्या होगा? Secant A. Okay, so 2 secant A is our answer. Right hand side also the same value they gave 2 secant A. So that is what LHS is equal to RHS. And that's the end of the solution. Hence we proved it. Okay. So just comment it if you're feeling any bit doubtful in any of the step. Thank you all for watching the video.